guys. We're out here with the Mini, and there it is, right there. And they moved the picnic table again. Every time I come here, somebody moves the damn picnic table. Anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fly over there and check on the update on the car wash, see how that's coming around, since Tom Wolf finally took his boot heel off our necks a little bit. So instead of him having 2 feet on our heads, now there's only 1. So some things are back open, the restaurants are open, but you have to wear a mask. I mean, this mask thing, I mean, I'm getting so freaking tired of this crap. I mean, it's really getting to the point of ridiculousness beyond anything that I have ever witnessed. Okay, I mean, I'm in my 60s and I've never seen stupidity on a level like this in my entire lifetime. Okay, never. Okay, he opened the amusement parks. Kennywood is open. Okay, but you got to wear a mask. Are you kidding me? Who in the hell wants to wear a mask? But if you're under 2 years old, you don't. Okay, if you're in a restaurant, you sit down. You don't have to have a mask on, but if you stand up, you have to put on a mask. I mean, give me a freaking break here. Okay? Jesus Christ. Anyway, so we're going to go test the Mini out and send it over there and take a look at see what's happening with the car wash. All right, guys. Okay, it says I got 12 now. Okay, let me start the video. Okay, so at least that's working.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I actually haven't flown the Mini in a while. I think the last time I flew it was 2 weeks ago. Probably the longest I ever went without flying it, to be honest with you. It's very bright out. I don't like actually flying in this kind of brightness, to be honest with you. You know, whenever I fly over here, I'm always losing the damn signal. Like I just did. Okay, so you know that's always happening. Okay, so the car wash is looking good. They have got the roof on, as you can see. And it looks like the driveway's built for the most part. So that's looking pretty decent. Take a look over the hill there. Looks good. Looks good, looks good. She's right overhead here. Let's go over there and check Laurel Village's pool. See how that's doing. That's doing good. There's Charlie over there. We can see Charlie. He's walking right past me there. No, we can't see Charlie. There's Laurel Village's pool. It's looking good. Okay, flew great. No warnings, none of that crap. It's flown great ever since that update debacle with the motor errors and then the firmware, you know, putting it on from the computer. I haven't been getting any problems other than those not the motor warnings, but the high wind warnings. I got quite a few of them, even if when it wasn't windy. So I was kind of really wondering about that, what the hell was going on. But looks good, man. Okay, I'm going to cut the video.
Landing.
All right, and there it is. Mavic Mini. Car wash looks good. Mini looks good. It's a win-win. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.